So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Apple Pay Later. So first of all, download the Apple Pay or rather wallet app. Once you've downloaded that, link a card with your Apple Pay account or your wallet account. On there you'll see the plus sign at the top right. You can see the box at the top corner as well, so you can see some card you've added. On here I'm just going to explain the buy now pay later model that certain cards use. So to be eligible for this, you will need to have a compatible iPhone or iPad with iOS 18 or iPad OS 18 to set up Apple Pay. So setting up Apple Pay is through your wallet, as I explained earlier. On there, you can also use an installment offer from a debit or credit card issuer or installment provider. So you can see here it's the BNPL abbreviation. Installment offers are available on supported debit and credit cards from banks and installment providers. So make a purchase and you can see it will look something like this. So affirm, you just need to double click to pay. Then you will see your face scan or some other ID scan, and you will see the option pay later once you try to pay for something. But make sure that your bank or financial organization as well as your card offers this option in Apple Pay. So through here, if it's not popping up, that probably means that your card and as well as bank don't support this BNPL or rather buy now pay later model. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Apple Wallet and Apple Pay or some other topics you might enjoy as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.